Hello, my name is Abri, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to copy an activity from Storyboard that's Teacher Resources page. We're going to start here on our teacher dashboard. Navigate to the left-hand bar and click on Lesson Plans. We have thousands of lesson plans, activities, templates, and other resources available to our teachers. So if you're short on time and you need a lesson plan on, say, the Revolutionary War, you can go ahead and search it in the search bar and choose the plan you want to copy from. Then you can click View Activity and Copy Activity. This will take you to the Edit Assignment page, where you can edit instructions, add or remove templates and examples, or even create a rubric. Click the checkbox next to the class you want to assign it to, and post it. That's all. Thank you for watching and happy storyboarding.